Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Ranger drum brakes. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a brake spring tool. Always prioritize safety by parking on a level surface and using sturdy jack stands to support your vehicle. Once secured, remove the wheel and then the brake drum, which might require some gentle persuasion. Take a moment to visually inspect all the internal components for any obvious signs of wear or damage. Now let's get into the disassembly. Using your brake spring tool, carefully remove the upper and lower return springs. These can be under significant tension, so proceed with caution. Next, you'll need to remove the hold-down springs and pins that secure the brake shoes to the backing plate. Once those are out, you can detach the old brake shoes. Remember to disconnect the parking brake cable from the trailing shoe before completely removing it. With the old parts removed, it's time for reassembly. Start by thoroughly cleaning the backing plate and applying a thin layer of high-temperature brake grease to the contact points. This helps prevent squeaks and ensures smooth operation. Next, connect the parking brake cable to your new trailing brake shoe. Then, carefully install the new brake shoes, along with all the springs and the adjuster assembly, making sure everything is correctly oriented and seated. For the final steps, adjust the star wheel on the brake adjuster until the brake drum fits snugly over the new shoes with just a slight drag. This ensures proper brake engagement. Reinstall the brake drum, then mount your wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to seat the shoes and test the brakes in a safe area. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.